Hi guys, let's do this integration excellence question. I think it is from 2016. So if sec x dy over dx is equals to this and y is equals to -1 when x is 0, find the value of y when x is pi over 2. All right, so let's start with the equation they have given us, which is sec x dy over dx is equals to e to the power of y plus sine x. Right, now here we have sine x, so I would like to change sec x into cos. Right, we know that sec x is equals to 1 over cos x, right? Because differentiation and integration of sine and cos could just simplify this question. So that can be cos x dy over dx is equals to, now here use the exponents rule, e to the power of y times e to the power of sine x. Why I did that? Because the variables y and x are different, so it will be easier for us to move all the variables to one side. So now let's move the variables to one side. So here it's going to be 1 over e to the power of y dy is equals to cos x times e to the power of sine x dx. Right? Now it's going to be e to the power of minus y dy is equals to, this is the same, cos x e to the power of sine x dx. And now we are integrating both sides. Right? So when we integrate e to the power of minus y, it will give us minus e to the power of minus y. When we integrate that, we might have to use substitution rule, right? So let sine x, not x, sine x is equals to u. So when you differentiate, you will get cos x dx is equals to du, right? We have cos x dx. So when we substitute those things in here, we will get sine u du, right? Because cos x dx will replace u, sine x is going to replace u. When you, nope, not sine, just e to the power of u, sorry. E to the power of u, when you integrate that, you get e to the power of u plus c. Right, so let's put it back here. So here we are going to get e to the power of u, and u is sine x, so e to the power of sine x plus c. Yeah, so this is what's happened at the background. Now when we have integrated it, now we know that when x is 0, it is given to us that when x is 0, y is minus 1. Y is minus 1. Let's substitute those values here. So e to the power of minus of minus of minus 1 is plus 1 is equals to e to the power of sine 0, and sine 0 is 0. Sine of 0 degree is 0. When the curve starts at 0 degree, it is 0 plus c, and we are finding c. So this is going to give us minus e to the power 0 is 1 is equals to 1 plus c. So c is equals to minus e minus 1. Okay, now let's put the c back into the equation. So we will now have minus e to the power of minus y is equals to e sine x minus e minus 1. Right? I've substituted c back into the equation. Now they are asking us find the value of y when x is pi over 2. Right? So we have to find y when x is pi over 2. So now let's simplify. So what is y when x is pi over 2? Minus e to the power of minus y is equals to e to the power of pi over 2. So at 90 degrees, we know that it's the highest point. So it's 1 e to the power of 1 because sine pi over 2 is 1. E minus 1 e minus e is 0. That will cancel. Here you are left with minus e to the power of minus y is equals to minus 1. Minus and minus can cancel. I can make it 1 over e to the power y is equals to 1. So e to the power of y is 1. Now you can do ln on both sides. Ln e to the power of y is equals to ln 1, or you can simply write it down as well, that y is equals to 0 because ln 1 is 0. Cool. That was what we have to find. It's strange, like when you get an answer of 0, you always have a question mark in your head. Why is the answer 0? But answer is 0, and that is the correct answer. Cool. I hope this makes sense. Have a good day.